The DragonFly IV is a one-stop fabrication system for additive manufacturing electronics, AME, producing functional circuits and devices that reshape an electronics form factor, performance, and development cycle. This system allows users to employ new levels of resolution to trace widths, spacing, and vias, and leverage dielectric and conductive inks to multi-level and multilateral base fabrication to generate complex board layouts, virtually limitless routing topologies, and arbitrary 3D structures. By transforming the production process from analog to digital, with a seamless design to manufacturing and process optimization via the Flight software suite, the DragonFly IV advances innovation in the electronics market. By leveraging the full solution, the DragonFly IV enables the integration of 3D elements in PCB, 3D designed high-performance electronic devices, HiPads, as well as the insertion of packaged or bare die vertically integrated and embedded ICs. When an application demands a component or a board with a complex 3D electromechanical construction, a proof of concept model with quick turnaround time, or a simplified design to production process with room for iterative improvements, the DragonFly IV easily meets these requirements for future-proof electronic systems and high-end devices.